Alright, so tonight we're going to showcase Brave's new shielded Zcash support in its Brave wallet. So open up Brave. We're going to log into your Brave wallet. Let's maximize it for ease of use. And it defaults to the portfolio view, but I think it's easier to go into the accounts. And you're quick to notice that I don't have a Zcash account yet. So let's create one. You're going to click on the plus arrow, create an account, Zcash. We'll just call it the Zcash account 1. And the first thing to notice is that this is transparent. It's not what we want. So to go to the next step, you're going to need to click on these 3 dots on the side of the account, and we're going to switch to shielded. So we're going to shield account, and now when you go into it, you're going to go to deposit, and you are now have an updated wallet that has 2 other options: unified and shielded. The difference between a unified and a shielded is the unified address comes with both a transparent and an orchard receiver. If you only want to give folks your orchard receiver, you're going to want to use the shielded option only. So that is, strictly speaking, more private. And then for legacy purposes, if you need just the transparent part, you can click on the 3rd option, which is like the standard, what the account used to be. So next step here, I'm going to use my Zashi wallet and deposit some funds.
All right, so I've loaded up my Zashi in my mobile phone. We're gonna click on the square icon on the send to text box, and I'm going to scan the shielded QR code that's in Brave Wallet, and we're gonna send 1/5 of a ZEC into Brave. Hi from Zashi. Review, send. All right, sent. After this confirms, we'll verify the transaction in Brave Wallet.
Alright, we're back on Brave Wallet and we're still in our accounts, and we waited about 5 minutes, and now notice the account has not updated, but it does say it's 2 blocks behind. So to sync the account, you simply click this sync account button, and we wait for the balance to update, which, as you can see, 0 blocks behind, pending balance 1/5 of a ZEC. We're going to need to let this sync a little longer so that it's spendable. Alright, so we waited 10 confirmations for our balance to update. The important part is we now have our money ready to spend, and it did so in a shielded way, limiting the amount of information that is leaked from the blockchain.